Get ready to explore breaking news, in-depth analysis, expert interviews, and market trends that shape the crypto sphere. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Cardano itself. I'm sure at this point, everyone knows that the entire market is booming. And the reason why the entire market is booming is because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has seen a significant push toward the upside, especially after closing the price in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, which I've been emphasizing on my channel for quite some time, especially after closing the daily candle in that zone. We've seen the price of Bitcoin pushing up very close to yearly highs. So if we're looking at EDA on the daily time frame, it's up 4.6 on the daily time frame. On the weekly time from Cardano, it's up 10.6 MBWay, but let's take it a step further, see what is happening. And of course, what is yet to come. If we're looking at the price, it's currently sitting at 55.6 cents. We're up 2.1 over the past 24 hours in BTC. The comparative market cap is slowly but surely approaching that $20 mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting above $500 million. Not bad, but let's take it a step further. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your due diligence and research when you're investing in crypto. So this is something I want to talk about, and this is the main reason why I did this poll a few hours ago as well. So just 6 hours ago, I asked the community, which is you guys, and the question is, what is the most undervalued from the list? And of course, you can see I listed Cardano, VeChain, Phantom, Algorand, and lastly, comment below for others. And as of now, literally in such a short period, about 6 hours, we've seen about 1,700 votes coming in, and you can see what's at the top. So this is based on the community. This is based on the overall sentiment of what people think. And 48 of these voters are going for Cardano as the most undervalued project in the crypto space right now. Sorry, not in the crypto space. Out of the list that I have shown you, some people honestly even think that it is the most undervalued in the entire crypto space, considering what it's capable of doing and considering how much its price is down compared to its all-time highs. So we're going to talk about the price, of course, now, see what is happening. But I do want you guys to let me know in the comments down below if you guys agree with this overall take, or do you guys completely disagree? And if you do agree that Cardano is the most undervalued on the list, I do want you guys to let me know in the comments down below why you think ADA is the most undervalued. So if we're looking at Bitcoin, of course, if you only watch my Cardano updates, I'm sure you guys want a brief update on BTC. And of course, I love talking about Bitcoin because this is important. I'm sure you guys watch my Cardano update pretty much since you could, as long as I can remember, after even we broke below and retested 39,000 to close the CME future gap. Since then, we have been talking about one specific level on my channel. Every single update, you know what? If you don't want to see that confirmation, pause the video, go on any video of mine. I was talking about the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level like a robot. And as soon as we closed above that level, we saw the price of Bitcoin pushing up like crazy. We've seen the likes of almost $48,623, which was retested a few hours ago. And we're very, very close, about 2 away for us to test a new yearly high. And I've said this in my other updates. If you did watch my Caspa update, which went live earlier, if this can clear out, we could even see a new yearly high setting in before even Monday starts. Really exciting things happening for the entire market. And of course, this gives us an indication of why the entire market is reacting to that. On top of that, Bitcoin's dominance has also been spiking up, but the overall market is going up with the BTC momentum. The majority of the coins right now are lagging behind Bitcoin and BTC, but the market is reacting to this momentum, and ADA is no exception. So what exactly is next for the Cardano price? Because this is, of course, what everyone wants to know. What is next for ADA? When is the price of Cardano going to get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level? And as you know, I've been quite clear, literally, really. If you've been watching me on my channel for quite some time, I've been quite clear that I think more and more interest will start flowing into once the price gets back into the 78.6. And we have not seen the price of ETA back in the 78.6 with an actual retracement level pretty much since May 8, 2022. So we're pretty much literally 3 to 4 months away for us to mark a 2-year time frame since the price was back at this level for Cardano. But let's take a further look and see what is happening and what are some next price targets we could be aiming for. So right now, what you're looking at the price of Cardano doing is it is breaking towards the upside. of course, as I said, everything is reacting to BTC momentum, but we do have resistance. Resistance is right in front of us. And of course, we have some resistance that dates back to the previous bull market as we were breaking towards the upside. So this is where we're finding ourselves currently. But what you want to be looking at right now is this 58.94 cents resistance. This is a very crucial resistance. We did retest that 1 month ago, which was January 11th. Since then, the price of Cardano has been unable to be retested. So it would be lovely to see the price of ATE pushing into this resistance mark, because this resistance, you could see this for yourself, is very, very important. If this resistance can break out, and if you see a daily candle close above here, I would be very, very optimistic that this time around, we could see the price of Cardano pushing into the 78.6, which would be an additional move of 17.7 from this resistance level. So right now, if you're an IDA holder, you need to be eyeing this 59-cent resistance at all costs. That is a move of another additional 6 if from the current price levels. And this resistance right here, it's not just a resistor. We just need to tap. We need to do something like this. Let me give you guys a visual. So what you need to do is this right here. This is what ADA needs to do. So it needs to churn this resistance into support. And we're going to be convinced that we will finally see that breakout. And once we see that breakout, guys, this is where the fireworks begin. So right now, what you need to be looking at is Bitcoin, of course, as well, because if Bitcoin can push out of this resistance, which we're currently looking at, we are very, very convinced we will see Cardano retesting the 59 cents market, potentially even closing above that tomorrow. So it's going to be nice to see. I want to know from you guys in the comments what you guys personally think. As of now, what I'm seeing with Cardano is a lot of people, once again, sleeping on ETA, and people are completely looking over Cardano's price. But that tends to happen because there's so much going on in the crypto space, so many other coins exploding. The coins to the more hype usually are the ones that are more attractive to people, but ETA is going to have its time. And I think that time is coming very, very soon, because around this time right here, now I know if you ask yourself this, we know everyone wishes that Cardano price could retest 24 cents, or they could have an opportunity to accumulate at 24 cents mark once again. But honestly, no, that time was then, right? And I'm starting to see the same similar types of uncertainty at these levels. And I think that is about to change. And once we enter the 178.6, I've told you guys the significance of this before. This ends, listen to me very carefully. This ends the bear market consolidation phase. This is a very, very important level for ETA. And once we're able to break out, I think 5X can begin, but we're going to take it one step at a time. And let me know what you guys think. Let's stop here for now. And please support my channel by giving me a like, dropping me a comment, and subscribing to enjoy more interesting updates.